Hey guys, welcome to Practical Hub channel. This video is an introduction to the labs of second semester in Department of CSC, PVPSIT. In the first semester of second year, we are going to have three labs. Those are Data Structures Lab, Advanced C Programming Lab and Java Lab. The course objectives of Data Structures Lab are to implement recursive functions, to arrange data using different sorting techniques, to implement stack, queues, and linked list, tree, and graph data structures. We can learn this in this lab, particularly about data structures and its data types, and how the data can be manipulated in this. At the end of this lab, student will learn to implement different sorting and searching algorithms, implement the stack, queue, and their applications, implementing various types of linked list and their applications, perform basic operations on trees, graphs, and determining a minimum spanning tree. Advanced C Programming Lab. The objective of this lab is to introduce advanced constructs in C programming language. Students will apply these constructs and problem solving methodology to solve complex problems and know the real world procedures. Coming to the course outcomes, analyze and applying the debugging techniques in C programs, developing C programs in structured programming orientation, developing the user-defined data types for simplifying the data manipulations, applying fine manipulation concepts to organize the data, implementing the C program by a team of people for engineering applications as it is done in real-world situations. And the last lab of the 2-1 is Java Lab. The objective of this is to practically implementing the object-oriented programming features using Java language. Coming to the course outcomes, student will able to apply the key features of the Java programming language, apply essential object-oriented programming concepts, and using techniques like dynamic polymorphism, abstract methods using Java, and learning how to design an application with strong and good object-oriented design principles. And finally, they'll be able to learn about different IDEs that are integrated development environments for easy way to implement Java programs. There are also three labs in second year or second semester. Those are Compiler Design Lab, File Structures Lab, and Computer Organization Lab. The main course outcomes of this Compiler Design Lab is that to design a lexical analyzer for given language using C and Lex tools, designing and converting BNF rules into YAC from various parsers, generate machine code from the intermediate code forms, and implementing the symbol table. And coming to the course outcomes of this course, implementing various operations on files, apply indexing techniques on files, employ multiple list merging concept for files, synthesize and implement the multi-level indexing concept on files, applying the hashing techniques to resolve collisions of records. And the last lab of the second year is Computer Organization. The main objective is to understanding the behavior of logic gates, adders, decoders, multiplexers, and flip-flops, and also RAM, arithmetic logic unit, and processors. And coming to the course outcomes, student will able to learn to how to analyze the behavior of logic gates, design combination circuits for basic components of computer system and applications, analyze the operational behavior and applications of various flip-flops, designing an arithmetic logic unit and different types of memory blocks. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And this is Sriharsha signing off.